this BloG was a good look. I was feeling it. I mean, you was coming at Jungle and shit. That was a good look. I mean, he is fucking whack. That shit is whack. Jungle shit is whack. That whole shit is trash. That nigga Fox is trash, yeah. But when y'all was going on and on and on and on and on and on and on, I fucked with you, ShotGun. But you done fucked up your career, player.
Man, too easy. H-A-Z-Y-R-U. That's it. But I definitely kick K-Shine ass.
What? You would definitely kick K-Shine ass. My nigga, you done fucked up. He gonna spit on your mother.
He ass too. From jail bars, man. We ain't got no bars, bro. What you doing today? Got the dummy ass? That's short, bro.
He got no bars.
This sweat shit from my boy. They gonna talk on circuit in your head.
Fuck that nigga Surf now. That nigga lost to DNA. That shit trash. I ain't even done. I'm gonna let the nigga see she's on fire. And I got my money on my boy. I got money on my. The house is on him. Fuck it. I got the money on him. I got money on this man.
Stepping out of road, right?
Little young boy.
Listen, rapper nigga, I got the crown, and I ain't giving it back to me. I got it done with a sound that'll make your whole city fly. Right? I pop it off and get low like Biggie eyes. I ain't in the talk, and I don't pull out, I let it go like Keisha song. I'm further sick and I'm a spit for a fever dog. And I ain't walking them steps about the heater. Gotta bring his life to a short stop like Derek Jeter. I will leave you, cock it back and turn a nigga 4-door shit into a fucking 2-seater. That you get to a vet, because he shows to throw you back like Mitchell and Neck. Right, nigga?
Right, that's not little boy.
I don't even be answering to you. Fuck out there. That's the reason why I don't be answering you. Hey, how you feeling, sis? I mean, I might say hot potato, stop. I cock it, ain't spraying Leo, hot potato, shot.
Yeah, ShotGun. Shot, bitch.
Mask off, I blast off, I'm that raw. Black Friday, come and get a tombstone half off. Frozen body, I'm feeling like Jack Frost. Shaking my hand top, get some more ass toss. I'm on that bread like a poppy seed. Cop searching for a shot, so I cop the weed. Solid power got me feeling like rotten feet. Quarter, I'll take another quarter like a slot machine. Damn, need a job like a hired nigga. But the gun is the boss, the fire nigga. I'm not the connect more, the supplier nigga. Either way, I'm on deck like a pirate nigga. So act tight and get stretched, get the shot mob. Nigga, get right or get left. These niggas. You know why? Hell with all of these cheap. A lot of niggas will die from headshots. This should have looked like a replay. I cook, coach, and mix it. Don't think what I DJ. Kill you and sell a murder weapon on eBay. Fuck you niggas family trees. I chop them down. Think you niggas falling to your brains and sitting out of bounds. No referee to check it.
I ain't even fucking with good neither.
That's like a drug game now. Because a lot of niggas doing it, but you niggas don't know how. Now, if there's any sign of disrespect, you can take the right for a gun. They think I got the clip in that. Talk like, little text that I even in the walk to that kid that's on that school thing. You can take it there. The car, you won't make it there. My head's good like Major's there.
And like he said, man, y'all been talking about all these money and all that, like y'all getting it and shit. Like, I mean, we only be putting money up. So I mean, like, y'all got some money up? Y'all got some money up on this boy?
In a minute, man, it was like, niggas really been honest. So look, I got my fucking gun with
The gun. Definitely on deck.
Like fucking real store, checking like crazy shit. Niggas is scared. Call them out, bro.
Call them out. ShotGun, bitch.
Well, I ran right. Put it in there. Then listen, man, said 5,000 you a dead man. He said, I'm not scared of whatever. He's doing a whole bunch of other shit, man. I'm hungry, my nigga. So for like 5 grand, we do a set of date, and we can do it. For like 5 stacks, it's on deck. Time, just make a phone call. Ain't hard to reach niggas. Since you like being a real star, you do your little real star thing and say you taking a bet. That's all. And it's a date, bitch. Date, that mother's ever been KK shot. Really snowed in.
Look. This is it. I got, he said 5 stacks. He just said 5 stacks, right? He said 5 stacks. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give him 4 of these shits. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6.
Hey, bitch!
Yes.
Stop doing that bullshit.
7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2. 1, 2. That's 250s. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, that's 450. So that's 4,050. So right here, just put the rest up, fam. You already know.